What is up, guys? And today we are at the slimeatory. Yeah! So today, guys, we are going to be doing a giant dollar store slime, and this time it's going to be a dollar store cloud cream. Isn't that so cool, guys? I am so excited for this. So basically, I'm at the dollar store doing dollar store stuff, looking at dollar store stuff, and I found instant snow. Like, what? So obviously it is a pretty small pack, but you know, a little bit of instant snow goes a long way, and I feel like this is gonna work, so you know what, it's okay. So I got a bunch of Jot glue, which is dollar store glue, in it, and it's actually pretty good. I mean, 2 for $1, pretty good. And also I got a bunch of these packets of the instant snow. I got actually all of them, not a bunch, all of them. And yeah, so basically when you make cloud cream, you guys don't know that, it's like the fluffy slime. All you have to do is get some glue, borax it, then put some instant snow in it, and well, bam, you got cloud cream. And yeah, that's all you have to do. So I decided to do a dollar store one, and I felt like it was gonna be really cool, and I basically just want to see how it is and how it's gonna turn out, and it's gonna turn out good. So if it's even gonna turn out, so yeah. And also, guys, we're gonna be doing a little game for like Valentine's Day, just till Valentine's Day. We're gonna have this heart chalkboard if you haven't seen it. Ta-da! Anyway, so it's gonna have a bunch of cheesy pickup lines with slime. You guys comment down below your cheesy pickup lines that have to do with slime, and then we will pick one and like put it on the chalkboard, and we also give a shout out. So make sure you go down and comment down below and get your brain creative and start imagining and just start creating and stuff like that. So yeah. So today's pickup line, cheesy pickup line, is gonna be, are you a slime because you are satisfying to look at? Guys, that is just too perfect. Okay, so this one is from It's Nikki, so shout out to her. She did a very good job on this. And today's like my chat's gonna be try to press the like button with your knuckle, your middle one, please. So your knuckle, this one right here, your middle one, to be specific. So basically, you know, you got your phone, you're just gonna go poop. Anyway, so that is it. Let's just straight on to the video. Yo. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is make the instant snow. So let's start unpacking, I guess. All right. Okay, so I haven't got the stuff. I've never got this before, so I don't know if it's even gonna work. Okay, so here is the instructions, which I don't really need because it's just water and then the crystals. And this one is actually a little bit different than the normal instant snow I get. You know, the one with the actual snow. This one is more of like the kind of diaper one. It's like thicker, you know. No! This one, instead of looking like powder, like thick powder, you know, it kind of more looks like salt or sugar, something like that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but like it's like crystals. It's weird. Anyways, so let's go ahead and see if this is gonna work. Well, actually, I want to put all of them first. Okay. And it comes with a spoon too, so that's pretty good. All right. Open that. Can they have these easier to open? This has sodium salt. What the heck? It's so weird. These are like crystals. I thought they would be like powder, you know? Normal. Okay, guys. So basically, I want to do the crystals first to see how much crystals I have, how much instant snow I have, before I put all the glue, just to see if, like, you know, how much glue I should put. So yeah. Okay, let's just go ahead and pour those all in. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough, guys. Like, this is all I have, but they are snow, so it should, like, you know, inflate, so it should get bigger. Okay, that is literally all I have, guys. Okay. Yay, they're growing! Woo! Okay, these are cool. These look weird. Whoa, these are interesting. Okay, so basically when you're making cloud cream, you want to wet the snow a little bit, but not all the way, because then if you do it all the way, it just kind of like melts the slime. I don't know. It doesn't give it the right texture. So, but this is the weirdest fake snow I've ever felt. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more water. I honestly don't know how much is too much with this one, because this is such a different texture, guys. Okay, guys, so this is 9 packets of the snow. So if you guys are planning on making a big batch of cloud cream, 9 is pretty good, but like 20 would be even better if you want to double the batch. But anyways, here it is, guys. Here is all of the snow and stuff. And let's go ahead and start making the slime. Okay, guys, so since we're gonna be making the slime next, we're gonna be using Jot glue. And Jot glue, I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but I made a giant Jot glue slime, a giant Dollar Tree slime, and a giant just Elmer's glue. And Jot is so hard to activate. It is just so horrible. So basically, I'm gonna use my machine for this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get it. Okay, so for this snow, we're basically just gonna have to make it the equal amount of that. So yeah, okay. way too long. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my magic. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boom! Okay, guys, so I basically like filled halfway. I filled it halfway, guys, because I feel like this is all my machine could do, because this glue is super tricky. I don't know, like you activate it and only one part of it gets activated, and it's like super like chewy, tender. I don't know, guys, but it's just such a weird texture anyway. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put some borax and let's start. Whoa, okay, well that's like not activated at all. Also, one more thing about the dollar store, like slime glue, I guess. It's like you need to add more activator than usual, like a lot more. Oh God! Oh God! No! Oh my God! Okay, I thought it was gonna be fine because it was like almost done, but it wasn't, guys. It went everywhere again. Okay, I think it's good now. See, it's good now. See, this is what I was thinking was gonna happen. And then it like went everywhere again. So also, guys, when you're making cloud cream, you want to go ahead and over borax your slime too. Not a lot though. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna show you the slime really quick. So here's the dollar store slime. It's actually pretty thick, you know, being dollar store. It's actually almost like glue in a way. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, guys, so if you guys want to see more of a dollar store slime, I actually have a video on it, so make sure you go check it out. But anyways, let's go ahead and activate this a little bit more. Yeah! Guys, this would literally take me an hour to completely knead and mix and everything, so that's why I use the machine, because it takes like 30 minutes. It's crazy. All right, we got our big piece of slime. We're gonna go ahead and make the cloud cream. Yes! Okay, we got our cloud cream right here, our instant snow, I mean. Okay, so I'm gonna make this cloud cream pink with glitter in it. So you shouldn't put the dye in the slime, but since it's like overactivated now, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the snow first because I feel like that'll be easier. And I'm gonna put some glitter in the snow and some silver glitter. Hey, and let's mix. Okay, so I think it's good now. As you can, I don't know if you guys can see, but like it is like chunky. It's just so weird. Usually instant snow isn't like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this slime. Okay. So basically, guys, if you didn't know, the reason why you have to overactivate the slime is because the snow kind of like melts it a little bit. So you want to overactivate it so that when it melts it, it basically gets to like the perfect consistency. So yeah, I'm so excited to see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so here it is so far, guys. Here's the cloud cream. It is different, but it also feels really, really cool. Oh my God, guys, look at it. It's so pretty. Yay, it's becoming cloud cream, yes. Okay, so it's like a slightly more like cottage cheese cloud cream, I guess, because like of the snow, it's like thicker, but it feels really cool. Like I actually really, really am enjoying it. Whoa, guys, this is so crazy. Okay, let me just take a little piece, guys, so I can show you that it is like the cloud creamness, I guess you could say. It's like really, it falls apart a lot too. It's heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, guys. But it has such a weird texture and I like it so much though. Like, do you guys see that? Like, that is just so weird. Guys, this is so nice. Okay, guys, I cannot believe how good this is. Like, this is super, super good. Like, I was expecting it to kind of be like a little bit more like jelly, not like, you know how cloud cream is like, you know, stringy. I didn't think it was gonna be this stringy. Like, it is actually really, really good. It does have a different texture though. Like, you know, cloud cream's a little bit more thin and doughy, while this one is kind of a little bit more fluffy and kind of like jelly type deal. Make sure you comment down below your video ideas and your cheesy pickup lines. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really, 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 really hope I see you guys next time. Bye!